Bayang magiliw, beres ng silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiging, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisig. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit ang bakaw, may nilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minahal. Ang islap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagliliglig. Ang bituin at arang niya kailan pa may di magdidilig. Lupa ng araw ng malati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa tinig mo. Ang ligaya na may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is GMA DZBB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000 watt transmitting power authorized under station license number PSD-0356-2022, REN. Issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2025. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, Corner Timog Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiat, Tandangsora, Quezon City. GMA engineering is headed by Elvis B. Ancheta, Professional Electronics Engineer number 897. GMA transmission personnel is composed of electronics engineers, electronics technicians, and first-class radio operators with licenses issued by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Ricardo L. Cabral, Professional Electronics Engineer number 92. Erwin R. Timbre, Electronics Engineer number 3650. Joel M. Agu, Electronics Engineer number 40727. Bonnie Ray A. Ulang, Electronics Engineer number 47499. Gerald C. Arellano, Electronics Engineer number 49545. Jonathan G. Salvo, Electronics Engineer number 19705. Chester Luis C. Banzuela, Electronics Engineer number 59014. Louis O. Shapenko, Electronics Engineer number 15586. Ralph T. Palma, Electronics Engineer number 29315. Rodrigo P. Quizon Jr., Professional Electronics Engineer number 875. Eric D. Kalaykay, Electronics Engineer number 26010. Ryan Jesus I. Zapanta, Electronics Engineer number 41636. Christian C. Cordovez, Electronics Engineer number 46636. Jefferson V. Dahilog, Electronics Engineer number 24515. Robert D. Santos, Electronics Engineer number 27671. Mamerto D. Logronio Jr., Electronics Engineer number 28729. Celestino A. Vega Jr., Electronics Engineer number 19182. RVP Carriaga, Electronics Technician number 603. Inocencio Robert D. Maniago, 95-1PNCR-15029. Arnel V. Aricheta, 93-1PNCR-6617. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1PHN-26421. Manuel B. Relion, 99-1PNCR-21589. Junie D. Sioson, 95-1PVI-12771. Lucas B. Caminade, 95-1PXI-12654. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in 52 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV48 Ilocos Sur, TV7 Abra, TV7 Tuguegarao, TV13 Apari, TV5 Mountain Province, TV7 Isabela, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV44 Halahala Rizal, TV13 Occidental Mindoro, TV12 Puerto Princesa Palawan, TV6 Brooks Point Palawan, TV8 Coron Palawan, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV13 Catanduanes, TV2 Sorsogon, TV8 Daet, Visayas, TV5 Calbayog, TV8 Borongan, TV10 Tacloban, TV12 Ormoc, TV2 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV13 Bacolod, TV30 Murcia Negros Occidental, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV5 Dumaguete, TV10 Sipalay, Mindanao, TV35 Cagayan de Oro, TV12 Bukidnon, TV4 Dipolog, TV5 Ozamis, TV3 Pagadian, TV11 Iligan, TV26 Butuan, TV10 Surigao, TV2 Tandag, TV5 Davao, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Cotabato, TV12 Holo. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network. Now signing on.
Kapuso, magandang buhay. Kapuso, nagmamahalan. Kaisa tayo sa puso, kaisa tayo sa hangarin. Magkasama tayong mangarap,
Biyaya ng buhay,
maging abot kamay. Sa Diyos nagtitiwala, sa sarili naniniwala. Buong puso nananalig, nangangarap, nagsisikap.
kapuso, anumang hamon ng buhay.
Noon at ngayon, lahat ng Pilipino walang kasing saya. Buhay sarap pag natupad, lahat ng ating hinahangad.
Kay tamis, pag nakamtan,
Tagumpay na'y nasa. Kaisa tayo sa puso, kaisa tayo sa hangarin.
buong puso, nananalig, nangarap, nagsisikap.
Kapuso,